Hello everyone. So today this is an issue with the Chinese plug-and-play e46 radios with the power staying on and not turning off after you turn the key off. The main issue that we have here is the actual canbus decoder that it comes with. It's actually the wiring harness that plugs into it. You can see this little looped cable here. The issue is that it's sending power where it shouldn't, and the solution is just to disconnect it. So disconnect power from your car, depin the harness. Shortly here I'll show you it all plugged in. So you can see I have the decoder on, harness is unplugged, radio turns on, no issues. You can see here that my stereo controls from my steering wheel still work. The volume goes up, volume goes down, etc. And you can see the harness is disconnected. So everything is still working as it should. When I turn the key off, all the power goes off. Radio turns off, dash lights turn off. Everything is good there. So that is your issue 99.9% of the time here. Um, Here I'm actually going to go through a full power cycle, so I'll turn the key on, have everything turn on. You'll see that everything's working as it should. I haven't set up the radio or anything, I just got it installed here. I'll turn the car on, and then you'll be able to see what it's like here. So we'll do a full power cycle, car's running, idling, and then we'll shut her down, and you can see everything's powered off. So we're all good there. Hopefully that helps you out if you ever decide to purchase one of these radios.